I'm MA Johar, President Project Business, CP Plus, the largest and the oldest manufacturer of CCTV cameras in India. I'm honored to be here to discuss about the cutting edge technologies provided by CP Plus to the Indian market. We are serving to the surveillance industry for almost 17 years in India and put up first factory in 2017. The recent factory, what we have built up, is world third largest and India's largest, which would be producing about 3 million cameras in a month. This factory is producing state-of-the-art product line which is fully indigenized. Our strong R&D team at the back end is developing required video analytics as per the customer requirement. This all would be possible only once you have a strong partner lobby along with you. We are privileged that we have a strong partners associated with us who has capabilities of executing large projects and have core strength in project management. You need to have a strong partner who have capabilities in sourcing the rest of the accessories and have strong capabilities in project execution and project management. I'm privileged to mention here that we have a strong partner like Millennium Automation Pvt Limited who have strong capabilities in executing large projects and have core strength in project management. We did project like Delhi Police, wherein we have supplied almost 1 lakh plus cameras, and with core strength of Millennium Automation Pvt Limited with us, we would be able to execute it to the customer satisfaction and becomes core support for our police personnel in investigation and city surveillances. I'm happy that with our core strength and core support and with capabilities of MAPL along with us, we can have more innovative projects and more bigger projects to execute. Thank you.